Hello everyone, my name is Alberto, and now that you know me a bit better, I will be telling you what I will be doing here in Estonia. I will be shooting and creating some videos from different youth organizations and projects as part of my EBS. So, if you want me to make a video of your project, I will be glad to do an on-site visit. That will be very valuable for both you and me, as I will be make more visible your work and activities to other people, and you will help me to carry on with my project. Here are my contact details, so please contact me. Bye.